Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between DSers and AliExpress. Now, before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to think about why this topic is important. If you're a dropshipper, you're probably familiar with AliExpress. It's a massive marketplace with millions of products to choose from. But what about DSers? Is it just another AliExpress clone? Or is there something more to it? To answer that question, let's start by defining what DSers is. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to source products from AliExpress and sell them on your own website or online marketplace. It's like a middleman between you and the supplier, making it easy to manage your orders and track your shipments. So, if DSers is just a dropshipping platform for AliExpress, what's the big deal? Well, there are a few key advantages that DSers offers over AliExpress. First, DSers has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to find and import products. You can also filter products by category, price, and other criteria to find the perfect products for your store. Second, DSers offers a number of features that can help you save time and money. For example, you can use DSers to automatically calculate shipping costs and track your orders. You can also use DSers to bulk import products, which can save you a lot of time if you're planning to sell a large number of items. Third, DSers is a more reliable and efficient platform than AliExpress. DSers has its own dedicated support team, which means you can get help if you have any problems. AliExpress, on the other hand, can be difficult to contact if you have issues. So, is DSers the same as AliExpress? No, not quite. DSers is a more powerful and comprehensive dropshipping platform that offers a number of advantages over AliExpress. If you're a dropshipper, I highly recommend giving DSers a try. It could be the perfect solution for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.